So what you can also do is you can upload the materials in CapCut from your phone as well. So over here in the video editing area, you don't really see the upload from your phone option. But if I were to go around over here back onto my home page right here, and then if I were to go around onto my workspace, then you can see upload materials is an option. And over here you can see that from phone is an option right here. So you do get the access from computer and Google Drive and Dropbox while you're in editors. But if I were to go around over here, you can see on the workspace, I have from phone option as well. So I'm going to go around and click right here. Then what happens is that it gives me a scan code right here. So I need to utilize my mobile phone and then access the website that is there in this QR code right here. So I am logging in onto my particular phone, and I have already scanned this QR code. So now what you need to do is you need to go around and then see that you will have some you will have add file option in your mobile phone. So you need to go around and upload it from there. And I did the same. I uploaded out a video clip from my mobile phone. So let's just go around and close it right here. And at the moment you don't see anything, but let's just go around and refresh this out right here. So if I were to go around and refresh it, what happens is that I had uploaded a video right here, and it shows up right here. We can see that water lilies are here, right here, and this is a clip I uploaded from my mobile phone. And that is how you can utilize uploading materials from mobile phone option inside of CapCut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.